Hello everyone, today I'm testing Pompom and Tassel rolling maker. So it comes out already assembled. Here you have instructions how to make a Pompom and a Tassel. So let's open it up. To start making your pom-pom or a tassel, you just need to pull your yarn through the bottom and the top side. There are two bigger spaces like gauge here, and you also can adjust the uh, width of your yarn, so it's just up to your project how big or how thick you want to make your pom-pom or tassel. So here I'm making a pom-pom. As you see, it works out pretty fast. You just need to tie it either in the middle or on the top, and then a cut here and cut here. Yes, and cut on the other side. So the other side. Then this one goes down, and we have our pom-pom.